Things have not been going very well for Princeton. He's considering selling his farm because he feels his efforts are not yielding anything anymore. In recent times, Princeton noticed that he's not earning as much as he used to from his produce anymore. The prices have drastically fallen and it's affecting his income, but that's not all. The government recently put some policies in place that are not favorable to farmers at all, such as the new increase in tax rates. At the same time, Princeton is owing his creditors, but he has nothing to use to pay back since business has not been going well. Princeton is going through things that he could have prepared for. In our last lesson, we began a discussion on the types of agricultural risks we have. We defined risk as the possibility of something negative happening, and we established that in agriculture, the likelihood of negative events occurring is very high. The first agricultural risk we'll be identifying today is a price risk, and it can be described as a risk resulting from a fall in price after product modification has been done. This means that when the produce leaves the farm for further processing, the price drops and the farmer doesn't earn as much as he expects. The next risk is an institutional risk, and it is associated with policy changes mostly from the government that harms production and eventually farm revenue, such as the new tax rate that was imposed on Princeton and other farmers. The last risk we'll be exploring today is a financial risk, and this is the possibility of the farmer running into debt because of things like excessive borrowing, increased interest rates, and inability to meet payment of loan due to increased family demands. Princeton could not meet up with the repayment of his loan anymore as his income has drastically reduced. The purpose of exploring agricultural risks is to establish that agricultural risks are very likely to happen, and the only way to be prepared is to get agricultural insurance. We hope you have enjoyed the lessons so far. In our next lesson, we'll be discussing the types of insurance policies that we have. See you then.